that it's very often right before an election, all these conversations of race and identity pitched to us that this is a representation that is required. But over time we have understood, once they get into the Colombo Municipal Council, then all of this becomes irrelevant. They don't speak on behalf of their community, they don't speak on behalf of the people of the city. And this is something that we want to change. The NPP today is offering you something different. Not an individual from a particular race, but a team of very capable, able, efficient, empathetic, caring folk whose real purpose is to put the citizen of the city first. Earlier this year, under the patronage of the President of Sri Lanka, Anurakumara Dissanayake, we launched Clean Sri Lanka, an initiative that I know many of you here in the audience are also familiar with. When we started talking about Clean Sri Lanka, I think a lot of people assumed that it was just about cleaning the roads, cleaning drains, ensuring that the city sits superficially clean. But for us, it meant so much more. It's a massive cleaning project for us. Not a superficial cleaning project, but something that is necessary in order for us to have a system that is efficient and a system that works for the people of this city. A system that will support you from birth to death. The Colombo Municipal Council has the capacity to do this for the people of the city. What is it that you want from the Municipal Council? We understand this. You want an efficient system. You want a system that when you go into the council, you're not kept waiting 2 months, 3 months to get something done. You don't want a system that means that you have to pay out of your pocket an amount that is not necessarily a part of the service that you're being given. To be quite frank, you don't want to give bribes because you want to retain that for your business. You're running a clean business. You need a clean service. What we want to give you is a clean, efficient system that will be something that you have desired. A system that you want to make work so that you are not overwhelmed with these processes. I know and I understand all of you here in the audience have maybe previously had interactions with politicians. Over the years, you may have sat in at similar discussions. We have the political will to want to change things. And this is something that we are already showing. This is something that you can already see in Parliament. This is something that you can already see with our people's representatives. We have already a president, our president who is our Sahodaraya. And we understand in the very essence of the word, a Sahodaraya or a Tolar is someone you can work alongside, someone who is not going to cheat you, someone who is not going to let you down. We have that leadership. And now we have a Prime Minister in the same capacity who is here with us, who we can also trust in, who we can also believe in. And because of the immense support that we received from you during the general election, we were able to send 159 representatives, our representatives, to Parliament. What we need next? We need the Colombo Municipal Council to also be of the National People's Power. So we want to explain to you how this may work. You've already heard from my comrades and my colleagues about the plan that we have. But for us, really, what we offer is a citizens' focused solution. We want to work with you. We want to come back to you in a month, in 2 weeks. We want to be able to come back to you in 6 months, in a year, and to continue having these conversations about how we can build a city. We don't want to exclude the citizen, and that is often the system that has been in place. You have those who come into power with election promises and then they disengage. That is not the system that we require. In order to truly build this city, so we need your ideas, we need your thoughts, we need your support, and above all, we need your trust. This city, in order to really change, needs more than those of us on stage. It needs you. I mean this very, very genuinely. It needs all of us. It needs every single one of us to understand our place in the greater scheme of things, our place in trying to build or to rebuild a very, very broken system. And we want to do this without ethnic divides. We want to do this, to be very honest, without these racial divides. And I think we're already showing that we are. So we ask you, we've not gathered you today, here, all of you today, just to ask you for your votes. That's an easy thing to do. We need you for beyond the 6th of May. We need to work on this building of the city together. In our manifesto, what we have said, we want a beautiful and prosperous life. And I think that is something that we wish for ourselves, but for everyone in the city. Not for those who only have. We have a lot of divides in the city. We have a lot of people who have things. But we also want to make sure that the same joy, the same prosperity also belongs to those who don't have. We want to be able to bridge this divide. We want to move forward, and we all deserve that. Every single one of you, in particular, as business folk, as those who are the highest taxpayers in the city. You deserve a better city, and there's only one party that can commit to that, only one team that can commit to that, and that is the National People's Power.